Okay, areas of law. So these are the kind of main headers that most laws will fall into. And as you can see, it will fall in either public law or private law. And the difference between public law and private law is that public law deals with how the government can deal with its citizens, whereas private law, which is the majority of what we'll be covering in this class, deals with how citizens can deal with one another. I'll let you guys read through these definitions on your own. I don't really have anything to add there. The different areas can overlap. So one situation can occur and it can trigger administrative law and criminal law and tort law and contract law and everything. But they would just be handled by different parties. So the example that I gave here, has anybody listened to the Dr. Death podcast? Extremely niche, but so it's pretty interesting. I linked it here in case you guys are into it. It's a true story. It's like this investigative journalist who follows this physician in the US who was performing brain surgery but not accredited to be a brain surgeon. He was some other kind of doctor and really harming people, somehow getting away with it. In any event, interesting podcast. That set of facts, so if we're taking that example, would give rise to all of these kinds of laws. So an administrative hearing would happen. So the college would get involved and say, hey, can you be a doctor anymore? Can you have a medical license? And the consequences essentially of the administrative hearing is we're taking your professional license away. You can't be a doctor anymore. Or maybe we'll put conditions on it. Can't perform brain surgery anymore. The patients that they operated on that were harmed or improper or misled would have a civil claim in tort. So probably negligence would be the claim that they rely on against the physician in court where they could get money. The physician could be responsible for usually financial damages, as you'll learn at the civil end. On the criminal end, maybe somebody died. Maybe there's a manslaughter claim, or at the very least battery claim, which we'll learn a little bit about in this course. And so at the same time, this person could be undergoing all three legal actions at once. Any questions about the areas of law? I guess that's all I had to say.